Hey, physics class. I'm going to tell you this right now. This is your last weekly announcement. That's right. Other than a reminder to turn in missing work, this is your last week of physics. Just going to show a schedule. See if we can do this. This is May. You guys have done a unit on energy, a unit on momentum, that's collisions, and now we're doing a unit on projectile motion. So your last week of school is next week, right? And that is just going to be make-up work, completing assignments. If you've got assessments that you're not satisfied with your grade, it is your time, right, to get those to 100% so you can make your fourth quarter grade or your semester grade better than your March 13th grade. Ultimately, at the end of the day, I have to turn in grades May 27th. So I need your late work done on the 22nd. And when the registrar sees the grades from third quarter or fourth quarter, she's going to choose the better of the two to declare for the semester. So you can only improve your grade. Okay, so if you are concerned about that, you care about that stuff, go in and take care of it. I've got 2 more things to post for this week. You've got 2 things posted already. Finding maximum projection angle, and then finding a pattern in horizontal and vertical motion of something in projectile motion. And then we're going to do 2 more as far as determining what influences the vertical motion, what influences the horizontal motion, and then making predictions, okay? So let me get back here, right? Hey, if you've got questions about how I've graded anything, or if you've got concerns on I didn't see these assignments, can you help me with those? Please email me. Utilize the conference hours. If I'm not there, please email me. I'll get on there. You guys are my class. I've got other folks preparing for AP exams, so they are kind of doing their own thing right now. So I am in question and grading receiving mode. So it's all about y'all, okay? Anyways, yeah, use this crummy week to improve those grades, and I'll grade those, get those updated, and yeah, I hope this week goes well. And you are 1 week away from summer. So good luck, ask questions, and I hope you can find a way to enjoy kind of the grays right now, but pretty soon next week it's supposed to be back into the 80s. No more of these. I'm so tired of cold house. So have a great day and great week, and I'll see you later.